Thank you very much for attending this session. Today, I'm going to introduce a couple of neat Excel functions like row, rows, rank, small, match, index, and things like that. And to make it a little bit fun, what I'm going to do is to use these functions to create an automatic sort. This is what I mean by automatic sort. Suppose I have the name of students here and their grade in a scale of 0 to 4 over there. I want to write some functions here such that no matter what numbers are here, finally I have the students and their grades sorted on the right hand side. 4 are here, then 3s, then 2s, then 1, and then 0s. You know that in Excel we have some utilities like this one. A, B, C, 10, 25. And then if I go and mark these two columns, data, sort, and sort based on column C, for example, largest to smallest, it will sort it for me. This is not what am I going to do here. Without using this sort function, I will be able to sort these numbers over there. That is what I want to do. Furthermore, for example, here, if I go and change this 10 to 30, it is not sorted. But if I go and change anything over there, like I am continually changing those numbers in the light orange side, they are automatically sorted on the other side. In another talk, I showed that we can type here row A1 equal row A1. And then if I copy it down, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know that row A9 is 7. And when I copy it down, if I go here and I type char, that would be lowercase a. And then if I copy it down, I will have A to P over there. And if I want a capital, I'll go here and type proper. And now I have A to P. And I have come here and I type rand between 0 and 4, which is the grade of these students, the numerical grade equivalent to their letter grade. And now I want to sort these here over there. The first function that we like to learn is rank. I type rank. Which rank this number has among these numbers. Never forget to lock what you need to lock. Enter, and I copy it down. While here I have 16 numbers, but ranks here do not go to 16 because some of these numbers are equal. I have 3 4s, for example, they all are ranked 1. Therefore, if I go here and I tell find the highest one, Excel goes and find the first one, and then it will not look for the second one. As soon as it finds the first one, it says, this is the student who have got that grade. Therefore, if some student have 4, I call them the highest rank, but I should differentiate them in a way that each of them have a unique ID. I type equal to row and A2, and then I come down. Now, if I add a fraction of these numbers to these numbers, these ones will not be 1, they will change. These 14 will not be 14, they will be 14 point something. And then I can uniquely identify them. Equal to this one plus this one, for example, divided by 100, by something which does not end up with an integer number to be added to the rank. I want always it to be a fraction. Enter, and then I copy it down. And I have these things. Don't forget, I could have combined these formulas. I could have said rank of this one compared to everything which I have in this column and lock it. That is the rank, plus row of this one, this row, divided by 100. And it will give me a unique number. Then I can copy this down. Now we will go the way that we did it. Rank plus row divided by 100. Here I have 16 numbers. As long as I divide it by something greater than 16, the second part, which is row divided by that number, will come out decimal, will not be added to 7 to make it 8. It will not be added to 8 to make it. Each student is uniquely identified. This person is among who are ranked 10th. But 10.12 directly identifies K. 10.13 identifies L. Look here, if I type row and then I type F2, it will give me 2 because F2 is in row 2. But if I go over there and put as S in front of W, rows, and then if I come here from F2 to F2, so I clicked on F2, then colon, another F2 comes up, I have both of them, then I go and put a $sign in front of it. Now what that function says, it says, compute the rows from absolute F2, not very absolute, and F2 which its 2 is absolute, to F2 which the 2 is not absolute, is relative. Obviously it is F2 to F2, and that is 1. Now if I copy this one, it will not be F2 to F2, it will be F2 to F3, because the first F2 was absolute, its 2 was absolute, the second one is relative. Therefore, with this trick, I can create numbers from 1 to 16. This is rows. Now I will go here and I type, give me small of these numbers and 1. Which one is the smallest number? The one that is ranked 1 or 1 point something would be the smallest number, and that is the highest rank. Because rank 1 goes to a person who has the highest grade, and here it has 4. And don't forget to lock this, because we copy down. It's here. Now, I uniquely identify everything, and I know what is the first number, what is the second, what is the third, and what is the fourth. Now I'll go here and I type equal to match this one, 1.02, correct? And this column, and lock it, and 0. Exactly tell me 1.02 is where, and the rest. So it will exactly tell me that 105, which is the smallest number which has the best rank, is 104 is in row 3. After that, we have 105, which is in row 4. Now, I clearly know where the highest grade is, where the next highest grade is, when the next highest grade is. Of course, those with grade of 4, they are all 4, but I have put that decimal point to differentiate. Equal to index and lock it because we are going to copy it down, and tell me which one is this one in the third row, and then enter it. It is A, and then it will copy it down. So these are the name of the students based on their grade from highest to lowest. And then I'll go here and type equal to index. Now I want the scores and lock it and comma and this one. Enter and copy it down. Now no matter how the light orange columns are changed, here they are always sorted. I go through these functions once again. Let me fix these values, copy, paste the special in order not to have them continually changing. I show the purpose of being random because I want to know that the system does not depend on the data. The system is solid and works independent of data. No matter how I change them, here they are fixed. Because over there I copied and pasted, the formulas went away. Copy, paste the special. In this column, we want to know the first value is ranked 1, the second value is ranked what? Rank this number among all of the numbers in this column and lock it. Obviously 1 will have come out with rank maybe 10 or something around that, because those who have got 4 will come rank first. Rank first means the highest grade. Enter, and then I copy. Rank function will tell me this one is rank 10. This one rank 1, rank 1, rank 1, rank 14. So I have rank of each of these numbers in column B. Then I'll go here, row E2, which gives me 2, and then I copy it down, click. Oh, because this is 10 and this is 10 and this is 10, I just want to differentiate them. When I refer to 10, Excel doesn't know, am I referring to this 10 or this 10 or this 10 or this 10? So I should differentiate them. How I differentiate them? Say equal to the rank plus that unique number divided by 100. Each of these students is uniquely identified here. Each of them is associated with a unique number, something which is not repeated like this. Here it is 14.09, here is 14.1. They are different from each other. If I am looking for 1.15, it will go and find this one, and it will tell me it is student N. Obviously 115 and 103 and 106 and 107, they are all rank 1. The reason for that decimal point is to be able to differentiate. Now, I don't want to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to have it inside my function. So I'll go here and type rows from here, colon, another F3 appears. I'll go in front of the first F3. I put a $sign So it tells me how many rows are from F3 to F3, from absolute F3 to relative F3, 1. Then when I copy it down, it will be from absolute F3 to, it was relative F3. When I copy it down, 3 becomes 4. Therefore, that would be 2. And so on and so forth. That is just not to avoid typing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll come here and I type equal to small. Among these numbers which are here, and I should lock it because I'm going to copy it down, which one is the smallest one? Which one is the next the smallest one? Which one is the next the smallest one? Next the smallest one, and which one is the largest one? So I have all of these numbers. Obviously, these are all A student. These are all B student, C student, D student, and F student. Because these people all are 1. Those decimal points is just to uniquely identify them. Precise address, because then I want to match them and I want to type the name of the student. Equal to match. Where is this number in this column? F4 and match 0. Exactly, I want you to find it for me. I don't want if you pass a number and the next number is greater than what you are looking for. I don't want to stop you to stop over there and come to the lower number. I want to search everywhere and exactly let me know where that exact 10.02 is. Now I have the exact address. This 103, row 2. This 106 is in row 5. This 107 is in row 6. 112 is in row 11. So I uniquely can identify all those students. So I come here and I type equal to index. Index and match work like VLOOKUP, but they are more stronger than VLOOKUP, especially when we look for exact values. We really do not need to be worried about how the numbers are over there, and we don't need to make sure that what we are looking for is in the first column. Index, give me these students, F4, comma, which is in the location 2. Enter and copy it down. Now we have all students. I'll go here and just copy it to the right and fix it. Now instead of this one, I should look for this one, and instead of this one, I should look for this one. Enter. And everything looks fine. This is a full learning environment, not a push teaching environment. Thank you very much for paying attention. Go through these functions. You will explore many things yourself. Also collaborate with your teammates. Also benefit from collaboration with your cluster mates. Teammates, cluster mates, and yourself are your best teachers. Connective learning. Thank you again.